Hi everyone! Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. It's nothing extravagant, but I know I usually do a lot of videos with either text or just music, and it was just more of a relaxing thing. This time I actually want to do something different. I kind of want to have a little self-expression, and I wanted to express that today is my mellow day. And I know everyone has these types of moments. And for myself, I usually tend to gravitate towards doing a bit more sketching or doodling instead of a full artwork of any sort. Just because of the way I'm going by my feeling. And usually in this case, I don't like to do or put a lot of effort into something that I believe will not turn out as well. During these times, I find that art has really helped me through all these moments that I have ever since I was growing up and felt a certain way, or maybe I didn't belong, or I want to express myself. My involvement with art has not just solely been something that I love to do, but it has been a very good therapy for myself throughout my entire life. With every situations I've gone through or had to deal with, I think this was always constant, and that's what I really like about having this type of hobby, which one day I hope will be not just a hobby. When I go through these moments with having something that you love to do to encourage yourself and to uplift your spirit, I find is quite important. And especially when you feel a certain way and you struggle trying to get through reality once in a while, it's actually nice to get away and escape this reality by just doing what you love to do. It's never a waste of time. It's more of a regeneration to your soul, and I think a regeneration to your mood as well and how you feel. By expressing yourself, it could be anything from art to sculpting to even reading and maybe even watching TV and taking a nap with music on. I think that's quite all right, and I think everyone has their own method of how they take care of themselves, so that's a good thing. And I find that once you rejuvenate, and it doesn't have to be 5 minutes, an hour, it could be like a whole day, a couple of days, maybe a week, because you're the only one that can take care of yourself and what you're going through. And having a moment just to do that is more exhilarating than anything else. I never feel guilty about it either, because it's something that you need to do. And without it, I think you would go crazy. I find that this art is a good therapy for me, and going through some of the struggles, facing reality, it can be hard. Just getting away from thinking about your responsibilities or what you need to do for the day or the achievement that you need to achieve. It's a good time to give yourself a good break and not really force yourself to do what you need to get done, because I find that it's very unproductive. You just need that break to rejuvenate and have your mind just relax. Sometimes you have to give your problems to the universe, and you would just do what you need to do and let things flow and accept how things are going, because in time it will just all work out at the end. Just want to say thank you for watching, and if you like it, I hope you do, and I actually hope to see you in the next video.